How to add Linktree link to your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Linktree link to your Instagram bio. This is super simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, you need to grab your phone, and once you're here, you need to go to Safari or any browser. Once you're in the browser, make sure that you are logged into your Linktree account. Now that you're logged in, you can see the share option right here. You need to simply go ahead and tap on share. From here, you need to scroll down, and here you can see the copy option. You need to simply go ahead and tap on copy. Now that your link has been copied, you need to head over to your Instagram. Once you're in your Instagram, you need to simply tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you need to simply tap on edit profile option. And from here, you can see the links option. You need to simply go ahead and click on that, and you need to simply tap on add external link. Now you can simply paste the link that you have copied before, and here you can write Linktree in the title, or you can leave it just like that. And once you do that, you need to simply tap on done. If you click on your links over here, you can see that the Linktree option is right over here. Now, if you tap on that, it will take you to your Linktree account. And that's it. You now know how to add Linktree link to your Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.